Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics, power and cable connections, and that you can sign in with an administrator account. Once done, boot normally and check whether the drive appears in File Explorer or on the desktop. Make sure you have disk management on Windows or system information on macOS available. These are the first tools you'll use because they show detected hardware without modifying anything. Don't waste time opening apps yet. Go straight to the system utilities to see the drive's reported presence and basic details. You'll now drill into specifics to tell an SSD from other storage. On Windows Open Disk Management, look for an unallocated disk, its size, model, and whether it has a drive letter. On macOS Open System Report or Run Discutal List to see device identifiers like Disk Zeros 1. Once you identify the drive by size and model, check interface type, SATA or NVMe, and partition status. If a GUI doesn't show enough, run diskpart or terminal commands to reveal device names and physical connection details. Finish by making the SSD usable. Assign a drive letter in disk management or mount the volume on macOS. Then confirm you can browse files. If the disk lacks a usable partition, create one or format only if you intend to erase it. Make sure to run a smart check with the drive maker's utility to confirm health. If the SSD still doesn't appear, power down and receipt cables or try another port, check BIOS/UEFI detection, and update storage drivers. Those steps fix most hidden detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.